Welcome to Man versus Machine. In the man corner, we have WILCOX. In the machine corner, we have Deep Pink. They will be racing each other to build a model of the Duomo Cathedral. Dominic, would you like to say a few words about how you're going to do that?
I've got a block of clay, and I've decided not to use any tools. I'll just use my hands because that's our difference between the machines and us.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. There are imperfections in both. There's a considerable difference in scale. There are some advantages of detail for sure on the side of Deep Pink. However, if you look at the west elevation, there is a considerable inaccuracy. I think we should also do a small structural test just to see the kind of integrity of the models. It's definitely one piece.
Yeah.
I think at this point it's safe to declare that man is the winner. Would you like to make a statement?
The future is in humans.